Okay, at 1, 2, 3, go. Hi guys.
Hey.
Hi.
Hello. What is poppin'?
Okay, this is not yours channel. Hi, I'm Alexia, and today I have a special guest with me.
Honey.
This is my boyfriend.
Boo boo.
His name's Brody.
How we doing?
He has his own channel for vlogging. Go follow him.
Link in description, baby.
Yes. Okay. So today, you guys are probably wondering what we're going to be doing. Today, I am going to be doing my boo-boo's makeup.
Hi.
I have freckles on today. If you can't see, we might be doing that to him. Who knows?
A little freckles.
A little bit of freckles.
Who knows?
Alright, so if you guys want to see how I do his makeup, then please keep on watching.
Okay, little part.
Where's the other hair clip?
Damn, boy, look at that forehead.
He's so pretty. He's so pretty. Okay.
These lights make me so white.
They make you look pink. Just
Pink.
Look at how like different skin.
Pretty.
Like, I'm like yellow and you're like pink.
Okay.
Brows. Oh my god, I'm so excited for this. You guys have no idea how long I've been waiting to do his makeup.
It was my idea.
No, ever since that I said I was gonna do a start a channel, I said I was going to do his makeup. So it's my idea because
But out of nowhere, I said, let's do it, baby.
So he said, let's do it today. So I was like, yep, let's do it. We were actually going to do mine, so we're going to do that another day.
Oh.
So stay tuned for that.
Stay tuned for that, ladies and gentlemen. I'm going to get full a little bit with it.
So first, we're going in with our Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brown. And this is going to be a little dark for him, but it's all good. We can go light on.
My brows are kind of dark. Not really, but
We're going to go a little light. So first we're going to brush your brows out. Don't make no faces.
brush them out.
Like shaky, low key. I'm like, scared. You're getting more eyebrows.
What do you mean I'm getting more eyebrows? Like
you don't have any on. You don't have any eyebrows.
Oh, hold on. Hell with that. God, my love.
So you guys don't know, we've been together for almost 3 years now.
Coming up April 15th, it actually will be our 3-year mark. See, I snagged this one up at Lifeguard
Wild Waves.
I found her at Wild Waves. My eyes. As I gazed and did my little lifeguard pool scanning. Next thing you know, I scanned and went, wait. I seen her. I seen her in a distance and I said, baby, look at my brows. I went like that. I said, time to go snatch a boo.
And one good thing about this is the fact that he met me in Wild Waves and I barely ever wore makeup to Wild Waves. So, you know, I'm looking fine without makeup and with it's like.
What actually had me catch her eyes was her style. She had some hipster glasses on. I was like, alright.
Oh, it wasn't my face? Wow, okay, so I was ugly.
She was wearing glasses.
So I was ugly.
She was wearing glasses for every day, like we all were, you know. We gotta wear glasses, you gotta see the people. But her style, her glasses, and her socks with... She wore socks! She wore socks with slippers, being a lifeguard.
And before I jumped in, I would like take my socks off or whatever.
You can't do that when you're saving someone's life.
Yeah, huh? Because it was
that's why she was the shallow guard.
That's not why.
I was the deep guard.
That's not why. I wanted to be a shallow guard because I didn't want all that stress in my life. I'm not that good of a swimmer. Okay?
You had to do spinals. That's the most stressful thing ever.
No, the spinals actually give you time to take your socks off.
I gotta rescue adults and children at the same time. I'm coming!
He had more fun. I just stood pretty much all day. Okay, so then we're going to go in with some brow gel.
Brow gel. You gotta make sure they're nice hard.
Okay. Yeah, we're going to sculpt them and make sure they're in place.
Nice and hard.
What's funny is I used to have my makeup room in my actual room, and when I would do my makeup and I'd be putting on my brow stuff, he'd be like, put some on me too, and I'd always put brow gel on him.
The brow gel.
It
did make him look fleeky.
Yeah, I always put brow gel.
Not gonna lie.
But it's clear brow gel, so it's not like
It's not like
colored.
we're doing
It's not known.
gel for the brow of the eye.
Good enough, you know, it's not like we're freaking going out. We are going out! Ah! If you guys want to see that of him going out with this makeup being done,
Description.
go subscribe, follow him, and he will be posting that video.
Vlog, dude. Oh. Beauty is pain.
Definitely.
Beauty is pain. You have to jab a freaking pen into your eye.
It's not a pen? Pen.
Yeah, a pen with
Pen?
stuff on the back
Pen?
of it. Pen.
Now, we're going to put some,
Concealer.
no, powder, and set his eyelid. Alright, open.
I'm afraid to. What if there's powder gonna get into my eyes?
It's okay, it's not gonna kill you. Oh, god damn it, babe.
Babe!
Alright,
Concealer!
he only knows the word concealer, by the way. No, this is called a beauty blender.
But we use it for
Foundation and
concealer.
okay, so I used this just now. It's still wet. I'm just kind of.
What kind of foundation are we gonna use?
So first, we're going to go in with a primer so he doesn't get any, you know, too much stuff in his beautiful skin. You know, we want it to stay healthy. So we're going to go in with the Professional so we can first hide
Protect those pores, baby.
Exactly.
How am I
You know,
supposed
we're
to do
patting and rubbing it into the skin.
Oh, yeah. Oh, rub me down, baby.
And then we are going in with the MAC Pro Longwear Foundation, and this is in the NW15. Alright, we just... dab, 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 dab.
Dub.
Hey!
Gotta keep it flawless. I'm dating a makeup artist, so I gotta keep it professional. And my daily cleaning routine of my face consists of a bar of Dove soap. Shout out to the Doves.
Yeah. Get your mustache all up in there. Hold on, keep doing that.
See, with foundation, I thought of more like a fountain, a beautiful powder sort of light thing, you know?
Okay, hold on. We're gonna move this down a little bit.
Concealer.
Well, foundation can be powder.
Concealer, I thought it was the thick seal stuff where ya. But
Dab
no,
that in.
a spider hanging.
That's not a spider. No, it's not. It's just dust. Okay. Going in, back in with the Naked Urban Decay. And we're going right on the chinny chin chin and under your eyeballs. My arm's all awkward at this angle. Thank you. And on the nose and on the forehead.
In the unibrow section.
He looks so pretty.
I look like I'm about to go into battle. Ah, babe, don't get in my eyeball, please.
I'm not. You're gonna be fine. Look up. I do this to so many people, babe.
I'm looking up.
Look up with your eyes open.
Oh, now you're just trying to get into my eye. She's trying to blind me.
I'm done with it. Like, okay, look this one. Do you want it to be flawless or
I'm
look
trying.
crappy?
I can already feel the makeup in my eyeballs.
It's
babe.
not in your eye.
It's in this one.
No.
Don't. Oh, you're gonna just put it in my eye?
No. It's just not blended out all the way. You're not letting me blend it out. Look up. Okay, he sucks at this. So, moving on, we're gonna... Oh, wait, never mind. We still have these lines.
I have a vagina in the middle of my forehead. See that?
Alright, putting powder. We're using the RCMA No Color Powder.
Concealer.
And putting it under his eyeballs. Look up. You're gonna hate this. Oh, sorry, my bad. I just put that on way too much.
Can I breathe?
Yeah. You can breathe. It's okay.
And my face definitely looks white as a motherfucker.
So what we're gonna do now is bring back some of the color into his face. Can't you believe that I actually used this foundation color last year?
Wow.
Like, and now this is my favorite foundation color this year. Like, what? That's way
How does it happen?
I don't know. Anyways, so we're using the 39A palette from Morphe, and I've been using these shades right here in the middle for contouring and bronzing. So that's what is on my face right now. So that is what I'm going to do for him today. We're going in with a Real Techniques brush. I don't even know what this brush is used or blush brush, but I'm using it for contour. Nice and fluffy and easy. So we're going in, let's see what's wrong with like these two.
Those two? Which ones? Those two?
And I'm going from the top of his ear down to the bottom of his mouth. But not all the way, just halfway.
Duh.
Duh, we don't want to make him look crazy.
Like that's not already happening.
I'm a pretty princess.
Yeah.
Yay.
Ooh, he has a jawline. I don't have a jawline. We can amp that up a little. Ooh, yeah.
I kind of look like Squidward from that one episode, you know what I mean? When he gets hit in the face and it's beautifulized.
We're going to carve that out with a little RCMA powder.
Oh, yeah.
Alright, now we're going in with Beauty Treats Matte Blush Set. And we're just using this little pink mauve color right here for his blusher. Okay, so oh, you're gonna hate this so bad. I don't think we can do your eyes. You're already being a baby about the other stuff. Look at him. Oh my god, he looks so good.
Looks like a bird shit on my face and I rubbed it.
He thinks he's funny. Okay, we're going in with some mascara. Let's hope this works. It probably won't, but let's try.
Let's try. You just dabbed my eye.
It looks so pretty. Your eyelashes are so long. Oh, he's so cute. Okay, stop. You're gonna mess it up. It's still wet. Okay, blink.
That's what I'm doing.
Okay, so we're going to go in with the Lash Label lashes in the style Bomb. No, these are in the style Storm 3D.
Storm 3D.
I forgot.
Yeah.
Open.
I can't, they're so heavy.
Open! Oh, I can already tell.
Oh, hell no. Are these on?
I'm trying to fix them.
You want me to fight to open these bitches?
Yes.
Because they're glued shut.
I know, that happens sometimes.
She glued my eyes shut. Matey!
Look at him.
Matey down! Ah! They feel more together on me.
Yeah, that's what I did. They look really funny on you, and they didn't get put on right because you are a pussy, but it's okay. We got them
What do
on.
you mean? How are they?
Because they're supposed to be in more. You have a huge ass gap between.
Why the fuck do you do that?
I didn't know.
Didn't
your
know
eyes
what?
were shut, so they looked different when your eyes were shut. Okay, and now we're going to spray your face. So it's supposed to feel mighty fine. All right, and last but not least, highlight.
Poppin',
Actually, I think-
bitch.
Yeah, no. Okay. Ofra Rodeo Drive. My favorite, almost favorite. Yeah. Yes. Okay, and then we're going in with the E31 Morphe brush and highlighting his beautiful face. Oh, yeah, baby.
Oh yeah, I'm getting highlighted.
Yes.
Ugh, hell no. That shit. Off my lip.
We can just put lipstick on you.
Or how about like some clear lipstick?
It's nude. Okay, fine. Okay. Yeah, just do you. Ooh, show them the highlight though.
Oh, the highlight though, right there. Can you see it? Oh my god. Of course you can. It's popping. Oh, look at those lashes. Oh my god. Look at those flaky lashes. Oh my. Do a little flutter for y'all.
Oh. Alright guys, this is the finished look right here.
Fabulous.
He looks great. He looks just like me.
Oh. Ooh, turn your head this way.
He's telling me how to pose now.
Yeah.
Anyways, this was a lot of fun. I had so much fun having my booper on my channel. Make sure you go follow him at Brody Atwood. You know,
it's my YouTube.
All his social medias, Brody_guy or something like that.
Super similar.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I hope you like this look. It was so much fun. He looks so cute. You guys, if you guys
got a boyfriend, go plug his face.
If you guys have a boyfriend, do this look. Recreate it. Show me how you're doing it. Comment down below. Leave me a like and subscribe to my channel, please. And turn on your post notifications so you can get notified every single time I post. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time.
Peace.